Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, March 24th, 2011. Today we had a total of 4 executable trade signals for a max potential of 22 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning just outside of what we would consider to be a high probability gap fill, just by a tick or two, and so there wasn't our sure pre-market setup for that half gap trade, but nonetheless we did have a signal that took place. Initially there was a no fill, and we came down and we continued to search, and it fired a second time, ended up producing targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 10 ticks as the market pushed down and actually did fill its half gap, broke beneath the previous day's high, and ultimately went on to fill its 4 o'clock full gap. So the full gap did fill. That was where the market found support. We bounced off of that level, came through our moving average, gave a signal to get long. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 6 ticks, and then the market continued to climb higher throughout the rest of the morning session and into the lunchtime dead zone. Now between 11:30 and 1:15, this is the area that we call our lunchtime dead zone. That's because volatility tends to increase, volume gets a little lighter. We wait until we come out of that at 1:15 and we start looking for opportunities. And in fact, we had an opportunity that set up during the dead zone, actually was able to get filled coming right out of that, right after that 1:15 time frame. Ultimately, we were able to get our first contract off, but just missed the full target we were looking for, which was just underneath the open. Ended up taking a T1 -2 on that particular setup, and then we had on that stop out we had this fast move up, set a nice little extension trade to the upside that went on for T1 and T2 to the upside for 8 ticks as the market continued to push higher after the 3 o'clock time frame. So all in all, not a bad day. 4 trades, 22 ES ticks. The market made a nice push up to a long-term resistance point, so we're real close to breaking out of a resistance to possibly send this market higher. We do have some resistance coming up tomorrow that we're going to have to fight through all the way up to that 1312 area, but after that we may see some potential upside if we can break that level. So all in all, 4 trades, 22 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.